It's me again. I found a cool catalog. The place where I drop ship stuff over the border, they have like people order catalogs and stuff. Well, they don't pick them up, so I picked up this catalog off there. Anybody ever seen a Summit Racing catalog? It's pretty cool. Got all kinds of cool tools. Tools. They have all kinds of stuff. Like, you can sit here and look at all kinds of things. They got shop equipment, low profile oil drains, and all kind of stuff. Generators. You got car creepers and hydraulic jacks and car stands. Sure, I wonder if the car stands are better than Harbor Freight versions. What are these? Furman generators. What is that? Auto twirler restoration rotisseries. Auto twirler. Is that what they call them? Shop hydraulic press. Oh look, I didn't know Palm Grid made grinders or slapped their name on stuff like that. All kind of cool stuff. And I think I've seen this catalog before. I just don't remember. Plyworks pliers rack. 13 bucks for a pliers rack. I think I'll need about 40 of these things for pliers rack. These tool shelf things here, I don't know, see? These little tool shelves, I don't know, I don't like them. I mean, if you have toolboxes, use them. Parts totes, not any good. Reinforced ribs. Lights, cords. I'm assuming some of these things are made with a little more quality than Harbor Freight. Or they're made at the same factory in China and they just skimp out on shit for Harbor Freight. Oh look, a replica engine block and a replica transmission. What they should do is make these replica engine like full size, make them cheaper. I'd buy one just for the fun of it. Bring it to the shooting range. Give me something to shoot at. What else we got here? Bead rollers. Certiflat weld tables. Heard a few shitty comments about those. Lincoln Electric welders. I want to buy a new welder. I want a new welder. Paint. It's got a body paint section. Blasting and abrasives. You can call this place and get blasted. By who? I don't know idea. But there's hand and power tools. Got all kinds of stuff. I'm sure all you gurus out there knew about this before me. Chassis and suspension stuff and diagnostic tools and the end of the book which has engine tools, which I don't work on engines, so yeah, I won't tell you who it originally belonged to. It's on here somewhere, but that's the catalog I was looking at. I remember getting I went there and I picked up an Eastwood catalog a while back. It's not bad. So yeah, this is the backside. So anyway, I was just looking at that. Just thought I'd show you some of the crap I come across. I usually go to different stores. Like around here, I think there's in the States, there's Lowe's, Runnings, Amazon's everywhere. What else? Harbor Freight over the border, and there's Han Welding Supply. I pick up stuff there too. I don't always go there, but I gotta go back. They have some really cheap welding tips and stuff. Excellent, folks. I don't know about this. Can't say bad things about these people because I don't know anything bad. I don't mind I have 3 daughters and 1 boy, so this is bound to happen. One day I'll get on with makeup, full makeup, let them plaster my face and stuff and do that. Until then, catalogs. Hope everybody's having a good night. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And all the people left comments, thanks for commenting. You're awesome. Stay tuned. I'll make more videos for you.